Okay, well I got the stuff to repair my solar, so hopefully we'll get this put together and get her back online. And Crimper. There we go. A little bit tighter. Good job. Okay. Inside there. Okay, one connector done. Let's move down to the other side. Okay, we're on the inside. First thing we're going to do is we're going to check with my multimeter to make sure that we have volts coming out, that none of the wires were damaged. So we're going to put that there. And it's a good sunny day, 40 volts. That's wonderful. Wonderful. That checks out. We shall put this back together. And we'll get the other connectors. Okay. We're going to go with this connector here. And I believe that is the female. Female connector. That is not, that is the male connector. So there we go. That means this one goes on here. With this one. Okay. There we go. That is all together. Now we're going to go down and make sure we've got voltage. Okay, I can't tell if you can see this with the camera or not, but I'm looking at 188, 193 watts coming in, 32.7 volts. So looks like we're back online. Okay, that was a quick and easy fix. Another van maintenance thing that we have to do when we go traveling. Things break. So thank you for coming along with us. If you like these kind of videos, like and subscribe, and check out the rest of our videos on my line.